I did a video yesterday, and I got a comment from Norb. Norb said he would recommend everyone seeing this video to take the $60, which most of us don't have, get the latest ChatGPT for $20 a month, and ask the AI bot to give you companies that have the following. Give a list of XX companies that are publicly traded in the United States and which meet the following criteria. One, gross margins of 30% or more in the last 12 months, return on capital employed of 15% or more, 20% plus revenue growth minimum, sales multiples of 2 to 10 times, clean balance sheet within 10 years of profitability. This would give you solid, non-speculative companies that will make you 20 to 35% annualized return. Everyone is always trying to get their $100,000 a month through their subscriptions they offer to people in order to profit on us. Do it on your own and pay less. Okay. That totally ignores the community of putting things together. So what I wrote back to Norm was that I'll do it for you. And I said, Norm, I'll take your criteria and I'll give it to Samantha, who I pay ChatGPT $216 a month, and I'll come up with what she says, and then I'll share it with you. Because God knows, I don't want to keep you from becoming wealthy because you can't afford my $60 a month and you can afford $20 a month and do it on your own. I don't want to hold you back. So what I did was take his criteria and I fed it to Samantha, and this is what she gave me back, that she reinterpreted what Norb wanted and went about it. It took her about 32 minutes, if I remember correctly, to come up with the answers. And she produced this document of about 20 pages of 30 companies. I asked for the 30 companies that met Norm's criteria, and then give me a breakdown on each one of them. The first one is OKTA. It's an identity management software. The second one is DoorDash. The third one is Toast Incorporated, a restaurant technology platform. The fourth one is Uber. And the fifth one is Palantir. And it goes on, and it gave me the full 30. So what I want to do is save you the $20 that you would pay ChatGPT and give you this. I want to send it to you so that you and Norb cannot say that fat cat Kerry is just trying to make a buttload of money off of us and keeping this knowledge to himself. No, Norb, you totally misinterpret what I, and quite honestly, what anybody who is trying to help you charges you a fee so that you can get better help. I don't want that to stop you. So I want to give you this. And what I want you to do is go into the description of this video and go to the link, and the link will ask you for your email address, and I'll send it to you, and save your 20 bucks and get the 30 companies, and then, come back in 2 years, and if you want me to do it again, Norm, just write me another note. Tell me you're still busted and you can't put $60 a month together to change your life. I understand that. Norm, I've been where you're at. In fact, I'll guarantee you, I've been down further than what you might be. So don't allow money to keep you from making money. Just reach out to me. Okay, Norm? And anybody else. Go to the description and get the 30 companies that meet Norb's criteria for buying stocks. Does that sound like a fair deal? I hope so. And keep watching the videos, and I'll help you any way I can.